Hi everyone, this video is going to show you how to answer a describe question in an exam. So, how do you answer this? To ensure getting full marks for a describe question, you really need to get 2 facts per mark. That's an absolute minimum. If you want to do more facts, it would certainly help guarantee the marks. But as a minimum, you're looking at 2 facts. So, just to illustrate this, fact 1 plus fact 2 or an example, that gets you 1 mark. So remember, 2 facts to get 1 mark. Must always write in sentences as well. Now then, I'm going to go through a couple of example questions because there are a number of ways you can actually build up the marks with a described question. So if we have a look at this one, first thing you need to do is look at the question and then look at the number of marks that are available for it. 2016 paper, describe methods of production, and it's worth 3 marks. Now, this information you can see here is taken directly from the marking instructions from that paper. As you can see, it's got a description for job, we've got a description for batch, and we have a description for flow. Now then, if you only wrote this amount of information, that's enough to get you 1 mark. If you added this, that would be worth 2 marks. Finally, if you added this information about flow production, that would be your 3 marks for that question. Now then, if you only wrote this amount of information, that would give you 2 marks because you're only talking about 1 method. So it doesn't matter how many facts you put in, if you've only talking about 1 method of production, you can only get a maximum of 2 marks, 2 out of the 3. To get that final mark, you need to add another fact about another method. So what you can see here, that is what would give you your 3 marks for this question. So as you can see, we've got fact number 1 is the name, fact number 2, fact number 3, fact number 4, fact number 5. That would give you your 3 marks for that question. Example question number 2. Now, this one comes from the 2021 exam paper, and it's describe advantages of using spreadsheet software, and it's worth 3 marks. Now, this is slightly tricky because spreadsheet software, it's more of a list of things you can do with it rather than being able to go into more detail. So in order to get the marks for this one, that would be 1 mark. That would be 2 marks. That would be your 3 marks. Now, to be on the safe side, I would put down as much information as you can remember. So me personally, I would try to maybe add as many facts as I can remember in order to secure the 3 marks for this question. So remember, in order to get 4 marks for a described question, you should aim to provide 2 facts per mark. One of those facts can be an example.